Hello everyone, this is an introduction video for our application Unreal. We are going to introduce you the functionalities of our program. You can see the icon here on the desktop of our phone. Let's start it. The program welcomes us with the map view. Here you can see the surrounding buildings, and the blue dot at the center is the current location of the user. It changes dynamically, gets the information from the GPS receiver of the phone, and as we move with the device, it changes automatically. Our first functionality is get direction. This is an extra functionality. We provide a destination node, and from the current position of the user, donated by the red source line, we provide a destination node, and it gives us the shortest walking path between those 2 points. The destination point can be given either by hand from choosing the building from a list, or by voice command. First, let's choose it from the list. Here you can see the possible destinations in our campus. Let's go to the sports center. We choose the building and say go, and it gives the shortest walking path from our destination to the sports center. The blue line donates the path. Let's try it by voice command, by clicking voice, and let's say library. As you heard, I gave the destination node as library, and it calculated the shortest path between the library and our current position. Let's move with the extra functionalities. Contact information. If you click on it, you can see a list of academic personnel in our campus. We can either choose them from the list by hand, or we can use the search functionality. The search functionality is dynamic. As we type letters and continue typing them, for example, it searches for TO, and when I add another letter, it searches for TOL. And if we click on the lecturer, you can see his or her name, the email address, the room number, and her telephone information. If you want, you can see the lectures that the teaching academic personnel gives that semester. Those informations are taken from a web server. They are not in the built-in database of our application. Let's continue with our sensor module. Go back to the main screen and push sensor here. Those 3 values, x, y, z values, are the values of the orientation sensor. The important value, the variable here, is x. That's the azimuth value. Now we will point the camera of the phone toward the building, and it will say which building we are pointing the device. In order for it to work, we must hold the phone in the landscape mode, like this. In here, our azimuth value is 45 degree, And in front of us is the patisserie, dining hall. When we start to rotate, the Turk cell and the second dormitory enters our field of vision. We keep rotating. The azimuth value is 100 now, and now we are pointing the camera to the prep school. As we keep rotating, now the output is Culture and Convention Center. Now we have nothing, and the administrative building entered our field of vision. And finally IT building and library. Let's move back.